Hello, once again, and we are back at night. SpongeBob reference, by the way. And we are going to be chasing on a night map. Got my Dominator, has lights. I'm going to be completely honest with you. I'm terrified of this. I'm just as scared as you might be. So, yeah. We are going to be freaked out together. The sirens are going off. We're going to park that over there. Now, I need a vehicle that has lights. So, I'm wondering if these actually work. Because I am questioning it. So what I think we're gonna do oh, it's over there. I don't know what it is. I think it died. I don't really want to go over there and find out, but I think it died. My defense, I did not want to do this. I am trying to create content. This is terrifying me. Again, this is just as terrifying to me as it is to you. Of course, I can always turn the brightness up on the video so that you can see. But I need to get a different vehicle in this Ford Bronco with a light bar so I can see what I'm doing. I don't know what side of tornado that was. Now I know that I have a Chevy truck where the lights work. So I am trying to find that right now. Yeah, here it is. It's over there. Where are you? I'm gonna see if I can cheat. Yep, this is definitely cheating. Like what? Oh my gosh. That's an F5. That is a freaking F5. Okay, this is a night map. Content. Get in the effing Dominator. We're gonna ride this one out. Oh, there goes the truck. You can see it over there, the particles. Is it coming back? Yeah, it's coming back. Mile an hour. What was that? Uh-oh, something's bugged. It took the El Camino. Does this actually do anything? Oh, it does. If I do this. Oh, nope, 90, 90. Is it dead? Okay. We're 13 minutes in, already an F5 hit us twice. You see that out there? Okay. Headset keeps falling off. Okay. I'm gonna multi-turret this thing real quick. Look at all this. That's pretty awesome. You see how the tornado come back. They changed the pass for this. There's a siren again. I'm looking for our cars right now. I don't know where they're at. And you can't see jack crap in this map. I'm sorry I had to cheat, but I don't know if there's a tornado or not. I could roleplay, but I don't know how to make that entertaining on a night map to where you can't see anything. Where's the next one at? Show me your face. It's over there. You can see the particles in the sky. Okay, it's going away from us. This is a nice entity pack. It's getting closer. See, there it is at the gas station right now. It's moving away. Yeah, it's still moving away. See the dial moving? Oh, it died. Okay. Or did it? Dun dun dun. No, it died. Tell you what I'll do. I will do this. While I drive around, I'll hear the siren go off. I'll see it. I will hit this. Hear the siren go off, hit this, look at the monitor. Just to keep it entertaining so that I'm not totally boring you guys. Okay, but the F5 came around here. Looped around. Passed by this. And I don't know where it died. Hit the farmhouse. My best guess is it died somewhere around here. I know this map like the back of my hand, don't get me wrong, but oh yep, it died right here. Something died right here. If I know the F5, it probably didn't keep the cars in there. It probably launched them right back out again. Now the question is, oh, here's one. Here's the El Camino. And I think I saw, yep, there's the truck. This is technically cheating, but I don't like those gates. Look! This thing is just... Look at this. The headlights are still on. Everything. Look at that. And it shoved it up on top of the... Look. It's up on that. Look at that. Gosh. We'll get the El Camino in a minute. Or get both of them in a minute, actually. It just shut off. Oh, there it is. It's an F1, I can tell by the sound it's making. Just passed by the house. Oh no, it's coming back. See the particles? If I get into a car, it goes away. Okay, let's go get the cars. Bring them back here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I see it. Nope, I don't see it. Man, look at that. Here's the truck. Yeah, I know I'm cheating. I don't care. Let's find the El Camino. I found it. Sitting all the way over here. It's about to smack into the house again. After I just found everything. Let's watch this. I was gonna miss it. Hey, you, ugly, come over here. See if it comes back. It might come back. Is it gonna hit the El Camino again? I don't think it's coming back. Oh, nope, it died. Okay. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'm definitely gonna cut that. That's a 43.5-minute video. But yeah, thanks for watching. Hope that you guys enjoyed as much as I did, even though it was terrifying. See you guys later.